Thank you.
You want to say my intro?
Your what?
My intro.
Sure.
You gotta say what's up everybody. That's Star 1098 here. You say
What's up, everybody? 1098 here.
That's Star 1098.
Oh, Star 1098.
Okay. Okay.
Oh my God!
Bet you can't guess
They
what's
used to be
in
my
here.
favorite cartoon, My Little Ponies.
You probably can guess what it is on
Nope.
the...
What is it? What is it? Open it up. Open it up.
They're probably already...
What's inside? What is that?
clothing of something special. Okay.
Looks like something from British.
Why would this be from British?
Englishman.
Okay, look it. If you guys can guess. Has a hood. Possibly has an eagle on it.
Possibly. Possibly does.
Has a...
You can always stop, go back, re-record.
You can't on this one, you can't. Well, I wish I had the app where you can speed up, but I'll do this.
Would you like me to hold it for you so you can describe your costume?
Wait, crap. Yeah. Alright, if it goes out like onto home screen like that, just go back to camera because it does that.
Why?
I don't know, because it's my camera. If I stay on it too long, it'll just exit out.
Alright, tell me when to record.
Mom, did you really just press it?
No.
Did you? Okay.
But you're wasting time this whole time you're on. Go.
Well, geez, I thought you pressed the little button. That would mean you turned off the video. Okay. I'll put it on.
Will be tolerated. It is up to us to send that message. This is the recovery of Dr. Kimberly Wells. No cavalry. We are the cavalry. These are the pics from Kimberly Wells' cell phone. We should get an idea of what they took her.
You're so beautiful.
Please don't say that on my video.
You're manly beautiful.
Can any of you guys guess what I am? Just flat.
Going once, going twice.
Can you guess what
Any
I am?
guesses? Looks like he's got boots. Some brown boots.
These are not boots.
Well,
Oh yeah, they are. I forgot.
they're supposed to be boots.
Yeah, they are.
What's this he's putting on? Oh, looks like an Englishman.
It's not. Jeez, I'm sick. Or,
Oh, what is this? What's happening right now?
oh my God. I am hurting.
Who did he pick?
Mom, check it.
Adam, yes.
Check it. What is this? Okay, there. Just don't want to rip
Oh.
it.
He's a coming.
What is wrong? There. Come on.
Nope, it's coming on.
Come on. There.
I'm so happy you're on the right team. Show me the news out there. That's as proud as you are of me. While Dave celebrates making a team, this next artist is getting ready to return to the voice stage after years of waiting. You know this dude? Yeah. Oh, this is. Welcome back, man.
Oh, that's a dude?
You're being let down at an extremely young age, and how you respond to this letdown
It's so hard.
is gonna
Mom, check
contribute to
it.
your success in the future.
Mom,
What did you do
check
after
it.
that? I used it as sort
Yeah.
of fuel, to apply.
exit out?
It already did, and I already went back to camera.
Okay.
What Adam is doing is not only started me this second opportunity for audition. I feel like this is happening at the perfect time because of how my voice has developed. So like just my emotion and my conviction now. I've done a lot of recording.
Oh, what is that?
Even got close to labels.
A little.
A lot of finding myself as an artist. Like,
It's a symbol.
I mean, it's a beautiful thing.
Looks like it's probably meant to be metal.
Ghana, Africa,
A metal blade, maybe. Oh, there's some weapons. Symbol, weapon.
Symbol.
A symbol, weapon.
It's not a weapon.
A symbol. His tail.
I've been preparing for this moment.
The tail, like a British
When
one.
I was blind audition, I sing
Looks like a British one.
the song is about a new beginning.
Look at that beautiful little. He looks like a vampire dressed up.
Practice.
Beautiful little vampire.
I just want to make them connect with this song.
Is he a vampire? What's going on?
Oh my god, Mom.
Whoa. Jennifer Hudson will turn around. So will Miley.
Oh, I have this on backwards. Okay, there. That's probably why. There we go. To exit out, Mom?
It already did once and I brought it back.
No, but it will still exit out.
I did it twice. Oh, what is he?
Assassin's Creed.
An assassin. Connor. Is that what y'all thought? Look at that. Muscular Connor. Ready to kick some butt. Oh my goodness. What's going on here? Whoa.
Let me guess the Velcro.
That's fine. Because we can pin it.
What?
I would not want to cross paths
Or you can just put a white shirt on.
with this guy.
Your face.
No one turned around.
Okay. Well, that was my unboxing for my Assassin's Creed video. Actually, I'll show you guys later.
Oh, this was
Well.
a second chance back. Not one person turned
Bye. Oh, crap. Bye.
I was into it.
Crap.
When somebody's that far